Teacher Kenny's English for Everyone. Hope you're doing okay. I know I say it every time, but I do. I hope you're doing okay. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, okay? Or I'll come get you. I'll find you. Anyhow, I really do. Hope you're doing okay. And today we're going to take another look at word forms, okay? And we'll use some stuff in some sentences, and just to help you make better sentences. If anything, help you learn to speak better, make better sentences, write better sentences. Thought today, man, we'll work with the word sound. All right. Now, just by itself, sound, you probably know what it is. I hear a sound outside. Or, did you hear that sound? Right? That's the normal accepted thing. Or you can use it like, that is some really sound advice. And when you hear me say that, well, that's some sound advice, that means that's good advice. Okay? That makes sense. Or you might say the construction of the house is quite sound. And that means, if you say something like that, it just means it was well built. It was safe and sound. That's something we say all the time, safe and sound. We want you inside during the storm so you will be safe and sound. See? So already, that's one of those words in English that can be used many, many different ways. And what if we used it like a verb here, a simple sentence like, well, this would be a past tense also, but she sounded the alarm. She sounded the alarm. Or, what if we bring it up to now, she is sounding the alarm. Something is wrong. She is sounding the alarm. Got it? See? So now, sounding or sounded. Now, in regular past tense, I sounded the alarm as soon as I saw the fire. Right? So I sounded the alarm. Okay? So there's another use. But what if we do... Well, let's see here. Let's just pick out past participle form. I have sounded the alarm several times. I have sounded the alarm several times. And you can even do something like, well, I have sounded the alarm several times. Maybe you didn't hear it. See where I'm coming from? So, again, man, look at word forms and how we use them, okay, because there are many, many ways. See, and what I just talked about, the present participle form, she is sounding the alarm now. Or, the big dog outside is sounding off. Shema, what? The big dog outside is sounding off. That means he is barking his head off, basically. When you hear that term sounding off, that means, man, something is going in the air. Something, the alarm is sounding off. Now here in an adjective form, now we do this a lot, but we don't think about it. Remember, the things that I'm teaching you in English, it's stuff that we just do naturally, and we really don't think about it, okay? It just comes out of our mouth because we're the native speaker. But here, the sounded alarm woke up everyone in the house. See? The sounded alarm. So there we go. It's describing the alarm in some way, the sounded alarm. And also, soundly. She slept soundly after the alarm sounded. All right. They slept soundly after the alarm sounded. So if you're sleeping soundly, that means you are in a good place. You're sleeping good. All right. So that's kind of how that's going to work. And you can use soundly in other ways. Remember, in this form, it's just an adverb. They were soundly putting their lesson to use, something like that, which means they were taking full advantage of something that they learned, and they were acting out the task soundly. So lots of ways to use sound. But get out there and practice today, and we'll have some more. All right. So maybe next time we'll pick some more good words. All right, just for you. You have a great day, and we'll talk to you a little later. Bye-bye.